Hi guys, welcome to Gran Canaria and welcome to my teaser video for my tour series here on Gran Canaria with Canary Motorcycle Tours. Over the next few weeks you should be seeing this, possibly one of the most incredible experiences of a road you could possibly ride. Look at this. Both sides, look. And you should be seeing some of this. And you'll be seeing plenty of this. I hope you enjoy it. Stick around. I'll be posting them up when I've completed them over the next few weeks, hopefully up to Christmas. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.